get to explore how to perform an exciting experiment called the
Magic Leak-Proof Bag
using the scientific method.
The scientific method is a clear step-by-step process that guides us to answer questions and solve problems in a logical and organized way. Rather than guessing, scientists thoughtfully test their ideas to discover trustworthy answers. I'm excited to share this journey with you.
Are you ready?
I'm ready! Let's
go!
The magic behind the leak-proof bag is a science experiment where sharp pencils are pushed through a water-filled plastic Ziploc bag. Max, what is the outcome if a pencil is inserted through a Ziploc bag containing water, and then what happens to the water?
Yeah, have you ever wondered what happens when you poke a pencil through a Ziploc bag filled with water?
If a pencil is pushed through the bag carefully, the water won't leak out because the plastic will seal tightly around the pencil.
Yes, if a pencil is inserted carefully through the bag, then the water will not leak out because the plastic seals tightly around the pencil.
What are the materials?
A Ziploc plastic bag,
Water, food coloring is optional,
sharp pencils,
and a tray for safety. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready!
Okay, for the first instruction, fill the Ziploc bag about 3/4 full with water and then seal it tightly.
Hold the bag over a sink or container.
Slowly push a sharpened pencil straight through one side of the bag and out the other. Let's do this. I'm actually kidding.
Well, this one at least.
Oh, it poked.
Okay, put it in. Put it in.
Wow.
Put it in.
Wow.
Wow. Wait. Okay, wait. Wait, can I try?
Okay, go try. I'm gonna hold it.
Oh, wait, that feels like jelly.
Yeah.
Jelly.
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 Oh, that's very sharp.
Oh.
I almost punctured it. Let's do it diagonally.
Yeah. Wait, careful.
Whoa.
Oh, it's wet.
Oh, it's very wet.
No, it's not wet. It's just
Very wet.
Wait, me first.
Is water wet?
I'll try it up from down.
Yeah, up from down, up to down.
Wait, hold it.
Okay, I'll hold it. Okay, last one. Let's do this.
Hi. What's your name, pencil? I'm naming him Bobby. Wow.
Wow, it's...
Oh, wow. Look, it's not spilling at all. It's not spilling, see?
Now let's observe. Is the water leaking out?
No, it's not leaking. It's not leaking, see?
Let's add more pencils.
I need more. It's so cool.
Okay. It's still not leaking.
Wait, can I try two at a time? I'll
Okay,
try
go two at a time. Do it.
Oh, it works. The pencils go through the bag, but no little water leaks out.
The bag remains sealed due to polymer elasticity. Polymers consist of long, flexible molecular chains, which basically are what plastic bags are made of. I therefore conclude that the bag does not leak much because the plastic stretches and seals tightly around the pencil, stopping water from escaping.
I conclude that the flexible nature of polymers in the plastic bag prevents water from escaping.
Thank you for watching. Bye!